everyone, Sheree here. I'm going to be creating an 8.5 by 11 scrapbook layout today using a digital kit. This kit is called I Heart Halloween Kids and it's by Grace Lee and Kelly Banks Creative. I am also using one piece of paper from the I Heart Halloween Adult kit as well, just because I loved it and I thought it would suit my page perfectly with this orange. So I thought I would just run through what I've got organized here. I've got some of the embellishments that come with the I Heart Halloween Kids kit. There are so many more pieces than I've got here. I've just selected a few that I know that I wanted to use on my page today. So what I've done is opened up each one into Photoshop. I've resized a few of them, like this little treat bag here, which is adorable. There's other things like this little boo banner, which I thought was really cute. These bats came as one file, one piece, so I've just printed those out to cut out as well. I've got this little skull brad to use, which I think I might use in my title. I've got the trick or treat piece there too, and that cute little kitty. I'm not sure if I'll use that one or not. The papers, I just chose the orange polka dot paper from the kids kit to use, and then like I said before, I've got that spiderweb paper from the I Heart Halloween Adult kit. The alphabet here comes as part of the kit as well. I've done it as 1 inch tall for each letter and the black, but they also come in orange and purple as well. And I also used an even smaller size to do this 2016. So yes, I am catching up on some of my older photos. Okay, the background here, I've actually used the spiderweb file that comes as one of the embellishments, and I've resized it to 3 different sizes and then arranged them onto just a normal size piece of paper in Photoshop, and then I was able to print this out using my just home computer and printer onto some white textured cardstock. So now I've got this really cool background to use for my page today. So I think I've got everything organized here. I've got double-sided tape on the back of most things and a couple of strips cut from those papers, and again I just for those papers I just dragged them into Photoshop and arranged them on a normal size page so that I could print those out. Okay, I'm ready to get this one together, so I'll pop you on fast forward and show you what I've got planned for this page today. Okay, so I've got those 2 strips of the papers that I'm just layering together, and I'm going to position those across the very bottom of the page. So just making sure I line that up with the bottom edge of the page there, and I'll just trim the excess off the end as well. So now I can go ahead and position my photo and play with these super cute embellishments. I do have that trick or treat piece that I want to put on the right hand side, so I'm just making sure I have enough room for that before I go ahead and stick that photo down. Just playing around with the positioning there. And I do have foam tape on the back of that piece just for some added dimension there. Just straightening up my photo a little. And now that piece can go on as well. So now I've got that cute little treat bag, which I'm going to stick down there, and I've got the boo flag that I'm going to just tuck in behind the top of the bag, and that has some foam dots behind it as well for more dimension. And now these bats can go on the page as well, and I want them to look like they're flying up off the page, so I'm positioning them so that they're going up to the top right of the page there. So next I've got the alphabet letters, and I'm just going to arrange them across the page, and I've got some double-sided tape behind some of them and foam dots behind other letters. So I just really wanted to add some more dimension as you went across the page there, and I've decided to also add that little skull brad to the middle of the O as well. So I won't make you watch me stick all those down. I'll go ahead and do that and come back in a moment. Okay, so everything's stuck down now, and I've added some stitching to the top left of the photo, some messy thread in behind the treat bag there, and you can see I've got some more stitching across the very bottom of the page and across that 2016 piece as well. And now this page is done. So make sure you go and check out this cute kit. It's called I Heart Halloween Kids, and you can find it at sweetshopdesigns.com. And let me know if you've got any questions. I'll leave you with these close-up photos at the end, and I'll be back again soon with another project to share. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.